Because I feel I'm host to the biggest game. Our branch say no nations never feeling it the same.
Feeling the beside me are very great. So since you totally free the Qualify Academy, the Nations Football Club. This is arguably going to be our biggest fixture. Player against the mighty Asante Kotoko. In terms of pedigree, achievement, and everything, nothing said we'll ever try to compare ourselves to Asante Kotoko. Just that football has also given us an opportunity for us to compete with them. And so we are going to give it as our best shot. We know Kotoko has pedigree, experience, and everything. And they're also in a buoyant mood getting into this game against Nations FC. I also believe that the mistakes that we've committed so far in the league, it's early days yet for us. You're finding a work in progress. And every day is a learning curve for Nations FC. But fans should come to the Boakye Sports Complex at Boakye on Sunday. Come and enjoy an afternoon of good football. And most definitely, we have every conviction that Nations FC will get a 3-match 1 point after 90 minutes.
How feeling it is because why are you Mama Kotoko? Now it's all nations all host to Kotoko. And then mobile briefing of special arrangement am tour for Kotoko fans and Omo. But Mwankasa standing in between Divine Dr. Kwamunina Kotoko for Namu host to Kotoko no
Oh, so you take it or leave it. I have mixed feelings. I have mixed feelings in the sense that in my football administrative career, Kotoko gave me the biggest shots. To have been appointed as a peer of Asante Kotoko was a huge honor myself. I did my best. I remember introducing the mantra Kotoko be a guy.
Yeah.
And all those things. I have fond memories of all those moments. But Ababo is such that Udu baby I saw call, you baby I saw call.
Come baby, yeah.
So you my copy Nations FC. We'll give Kotoko the needed respect. We say the Kotoko in global football, not just Ghana football, but global football. They need a lot of applause. So we applaud them, we'll give them the respect. But football speaks a different language altogether.
Yeah.
It's in here, Pure Dr. Boakye Sports Company. They'll create an atmosphere. We'll be able to enjoy football. We'll create an atmosphere. Kotoko so Babon say, yeah, job of fellowship. There were complaints or there were talks that said that the training schedule about Babaya Sports. It is not true. The training schedule is not bad because next year maintaining your pitches in Boakye. Mind you, your training pitch, not ISA. It's next year expanded training pitch. And the main pitch is your boy last game against Lagos City. They said, "Baby, credit to Kakra." But we believe in very good maintenance culture. We don't want to be the typical Ghanaian. The B say, and who say patients issues are banana. Okay, after your last game against Lagos City, it's near about 2 weeks between the fix issues. That's the reason why he moved your training schedule from Babaya Sports. But whatever it is football. People should just come, pay 30 cedis for popular star and center line, pay 100 cedis for the VIP. Come and enjoy an afternoon of good football. And let's make merry. It's just football.
Okay. Now, a moment time, Barbara, said that means of transportation after the match, I've been there, but coming from you would add so much value. Is it that difficult? So we be free Kumasi, but Bani be no corner. How is it like?
It's never difficult because it's not just Kumasi. Because if we Kumasi, but we do at Unsua, we bring straight car to Kuntinasi. To before Kuntinasi Township, I'll just drop off. But Boakye Sports Complex is just 1 minute. Oh, Baswa, Kasi free Kuntinasi, be free, so and so far how beside the people Kumasi. In terms of transportation in and out, it may be very difficult. And we also know that proposal organizing buses are on the day. What person will be given? We just have a free mind, come and enjoy football. And most definitely, security will be so for India. We also need to protect life and property. Until what they will get for them to say their car back. We ensure say employees say before match we know we have 2 battery. And I say okay, not touch man. Yeah, so sad. So security is going to be very tight on the day. And most definitely, we and them set talking point will be we near to the benefit of the nation's.
On the field, more the 2 experienced managers, my training, Kasim Mingle and Johnson Smith. can't see kakra me kind as a Kotoko intimi anshen wo bechim. Johnson so being a former Kotoko person. The bias me who Kumasi boys bisu wo mo team no ma. I don't know, will it play to the advantage from a technical point?
Oh, team Nations FC. Nations FC no. Say we are training in Ghana. Or here been playing but they play some people from Faso.
Yeah.
A bit free Brazil, a bit free Ivory Coast. And it's our Ghana for maybe Ghana for us to we ensure say at least every region in Ghana there is represented in the playing body for Nations FC. Even within the Ashanti region, so we also making sure say being a player back who free constancy area that's a position. We are very much he's from that area. We are trying to just expand and to also ensure say we'll sell the brand Ashanti region, we'll sell the brand Abrankesi, we'll sell football made in Abrankesi. We'll be about Coach Kasim Mingle. He's a teacher. Coach Joseph Smith is also a teacher. He's dominating from Kotoko, from the JV United and all that. And we will not put a lot of pressure on them. It is work in progress. Our immediate target is to be able to stay in the league.
Okay, so the target is not about winning trophy
for this season. It's not about winning trophy. It's about staying in the league. But say, I had not a trophy so as for that. For this season, the target is to be able to remain.
It's more or Kasim Mingle pressure because that's a mania. And yes, splendid start there, but
we are very patient.
Okay.
We say, Opetri a policy and Mujaba. Yem prepare and our plans are put in place since they take over BYF. We gave ourselves a target.
Not more about 10-year development plan.
Well, we have a plan, but I will not actually.
Yeah, okay,
so yeah. But we have a plan. So far, so good. Within 2 years, we'll be able to achieve over 90% of the set targets in the sense.
Okay.
About Premier League, so I set out another achievable target. But life is that you need to be able to set out achievable target. But for us, we know that it is work in progress. And if you do Coach Mingle or new coach Johnson Smith, the support of the other 10 team members, it will be a say.
Oh, okay. Now, me buy my brands now. Now I encourage you mostly for a team free, maybe a Division 1 but you don't see because the immediate training movie must sign as some who share source of finance from such a team because no man Baba Bass the players how is it for you financially this particular era no more Dema clubs?
Oh, source of funding. The Divachi body is a businessman. Vice president of Nations FC, I'm also a businessman. And then there's also great support from Dr. Kwamichi, who is also an astute businessman. Fortunately, we have sponsorship from Unity Oil. There's also sponsorship from Nations Oil Services, which is owned by the Divine Chain. Fortunately, other companies are also knocking our doors. You could say any of them come on. You say, enter the sponsorship the president. But we know it's a difficulty, but this is also an investment. The investment, when you spend it for some time, and after some time, we'll be able to recoup those investments. For now, we are spending, but the right time we'll be able to recoup all those investments.
Me say who young players on team numpa. Never say most clubs with philosophy at Tony Nations the no Tony Tony Nations momo the be sense.
Oh yeah, mission is to be able to one identify talent, to develop those talents. 3 give a future to those talents. So the future also means that we should be able to sell those talents. And you identify them in the first place. We will develop those talents. We hear Coach Johnson Smith, we hear Coach Kasim Mingle, they are teachers. And the support of Shamonia, that team members. So far, you have money, Frank Amani, your Division 1 player, and a 17 player, which are there for goods. It became a super sub for us. And that is encouraging. We have a couple of young players in the center. Say, the academy is starting proper.
So there's an academy on this way?
Yeah, on it.
Okay, so probably next year.
Oh no! Already, we have about 20 of those players around about that.
And also that Brankesi.
Okay. We train them. But in due time, we'll be able to introduce some of those boys.
The academy never could US Akobo tournament match, no. Bengal of nations. And it is all considered very agrocra. Coach Pacho, nations as referee Chimaba. So far, Elba and El Cosa the Mount.
Oh, I never. They're building a new team, so building a new team take time to for them to start this. So you could see yes, with time, no, they were slow.
Now, Oba, so far league, as well as slow start, Kakra.
And I mean, I said, we are building a new team completely. Definitely, most of them are beginners, have been on football premiership, so it take time to grasp. With a little bit time, you see them.
Ahead of Kotoko, what should your fans expect?
Oh, we are playing good football. We are also playing good football, so it will be a nice game. And the better side that they would like me on the side to carry them.
Now, so what have you watched the Kotoko team?
I watch them, they also watch it. So
now, what do you think, Sebe, the way to unlock them? Because so far they have a very nice defense.
But that one is a secret that goes where you don't need to speak in public for them to. You are telling someone you don't do that.
Oh,
so it will reflect on the field of play.
Now, fans normal ban now person opening coach or Kasim Mingle the ball on the top form now. Should they still expect
that?
They
will expect. You know, Asante Kotoko play good football. We also play good football. So they should expect a good game. The fans will enjoy the game.
That's a part. Thank you very much.